friends, it's Quenby, the Grateful Queen here on YouTube. Welcome back for another thrift haul video. These are items that I bought at the Goodwill outlet BINS in Sacramento, California. This is the third video I've made from this BINS trip because I was there literally all day, closed the place down at 6 p.m. I got over 100 pounds of clothing. So I'm gonna show you just a sampling of some of the stuff I found there because I've already sold a lot of it. I resell this stuff part-time on eBay, Poshmark, Thredup, and I sell live on the new app Whatnot. It costs $1.59 per pound of clothing at this particular BINS. So my cost of goods, what I paid for each item was 95 cents. I just take my total, I count up how many items that I got, and I divide it. That's called cost averaging. That's easier for me than being like, okay, these jeans weighed a pound, they were $1.59, but this lightweight top weighs 6 ounces, I probably only paid 50 cents. I just average it out and figure it's around $1 an item, which is a super low cost of goods. For me, I will definitely be inserting some photos and video from inside the Goodwill or BINS because it is just a crazy adventure each and every time. Let me know in the comments, are you a Goodwill outlet BINS shopper? Why or why not? It's not for everybody, but I have the best time ever and I love my friends. I'm going quick today. You guys are gonna be like, why is she going so quick? I'm supposed to go live in 20 minutes on YouTube. Here on YouTube every Friday night, I do something called Reseller Community Night, and I go live and hang out with other resellers. This first piece I bought for brand and style, and I want to say color. I love this kind of split I love this kind of split pea or chartreuse color. It's really popular with women that dress in the boho style or the laggin look style. This says offline by Aerie. So I'll list it as Aerie, and it's a ribbed top. Now this says size small. This would fit an extra large. So that's a great Whatnot item. This next piece is a small size, but such a good brand. This is Athleta, and this is a newer piece. When it says designed in San Francisco, it's a newer line that they're doing, and I've had a lot of success selling this. Just a little crop tee in a great color, but it's an extra small, so I'll probably list that myself on eBay. People are a little bit afraid of very small sizes, I notice on Whatnot. Lululemon at the BINS, I found a few Lululemon pieces. This is a really cool style. See, it has that open back. I have not found a size tag on this. It looks a little small, has a knotted back, but I'll just measure it. This one does not have any little pockets or anything, so I'm not sure how I would find the size on that. These may have been a mistake or maybe not. Let me know what you guys think. I bought them because I thought they were a cool style and they're Nude tags. They're Joe Fresh. I'm not sure where Joe Fresh is sold. It might just be Kohl's or it might be Macy's. Nude tag though, and look at the style on these jeans. Kind of a retro fitted through the hip and a really wide leg. I mean, the leg on this is insane. So I just love the style of these. What size are these? I'll let you know because often some people will email me and say, hey, I saw an item in your haul. Can I buy it from you? And that's no problem. You can find me everywhere at The Grateful Queen. On Instagram, on Gmail, on Whatnot. I'm The Grateful Queen everywhere. These are a size 6. Really cool style. That's what I love about selling live on Whatnot is I have the opportunity to describe things verbally and say, I love the style on these. Look at the wide leg. Look at the, it's better for certain items that don't show as well in the photos or descriptions. So I'm liking that part of it. This I bought for style. I don't know this brand. I'll probably have to look it up. Andy and James. But it's such a good boho piece and it's an XL. Cynthia, should I have given this to you? I didn't think. It's a pink midi skirt, like a flowy boho-y piece. Love that. Now this is one of my better finds. This is Athleta, and it's just a substantial piece, and it's a size extra large. Yes, please give me all the large and extra large. Look at this. It's a cowl neck sweatshirt, and it has like a fleece lining, so a super soft fleece lining. If you're new to this channel, please know that at the end of the video I put all my bloopers. All my bloopy bloop bloopers where I make mistakes and say everything wrong and drop all the items and knock over my water bottle. you get to see the real deal at the end of the video, so be sure to stay till the end. And while you're at it, make sure you're subscribed. This I bought for style. You'll notice I'm saying, like, I'm looking for styles that I love. I'm looking for larger sizes. I'm looking for great brands. So those are the things I'm considering. This is Nick & Zoe, and it's a size 8. Pretty good brand. And I just like the style of this black skirt. Kind of a classic black midi or maxi, and it has all this seam detail. I like that. I've got me some Chicos, some Chicos. They're reliable, good sellers. This is a size 3, and Chico does vanity sizing, so a 3 is an XL, and I love the style on this. It's like a crinkly button down, and then look at the pocket details here. It's like bejeweled. Isn't that cool? I will steam this and make sure, but I think it's a crinkly style, but we'll see. I'll give it a steam. I did the best job I could with quality control. So what that means is after I pile up my cart as high as it'll go and I cannot push it anymore, I go over with the ladies to the side of the room and we just sort through everything. And we're looking for broken zippers, missing buttons, stains under the armpits, you know, inner thigh rubbing on pants and leggings. So that's a really important part because I don't want to bring stuff home that needs a lot of work. Let me see what else I can show you here. These are the North Face, and they're a women's size 12. Good brand, sold at REI, pretty expensive, and a 12 is like a nice larger size. Just a pair of women's shorts, kind of chino, outdoor wear, camping style shorts in a big size. I'll still list those even though I'm filming this in the fall. They would have been better to list in the summer, but that's okay. These are so cute. Does anyone have a little boy? These are Levi's, 5'11" slim, size 10. But check these out. They're skinny jeans with all these patches. Look at all the patches. Give Earth a chance. These are so cool. Somebody's gonna want those, so I picked them up. I don't do a ton of kids. I try to stick to kids that are pieces that I can get at least $10 or $12 for, selling them on their own. These are very cool. These are Who What Wear size 10. Now Who What Wear is sold at Target, but also it is sold at Nordstrom. And if I had to guess, I think these might be a Nordstrom piece. They're like I don't know if they're wool, but they look and feel like wool plaid pants. Super duper wide leg with a contrasting colored belt and pocket details. These things are amazing. They're so good. So I do sell Target all the time. If it's a great style, that really helps me out to sell it, or a bigger size. But they make the cutest stuff. I found one Free People item all day, I think, and it's a Free People size small. Free People is often very oversized. I'm a curvy size 12 and I usually wear a small in Free People. But this piece actually looks true to size to me. Oh, look at all that lace and crochet detail. Look at the sleeve. Oh, you know I love a good sleeve. Gorgeous lace crochet details. Oh, I wish that fit me, but alas, it will not. This might. I'm interested in trying this on. This is J. Crew size XL. Thank you for the larger sizes. This is a white skirt with a ruffle hem and it's all embroidered. And I looked this baby over. I mean, it looks, I do not see any flaws. White is challenging. Often I think there's no flaws. I put it under my lights to take photos and I find some flaws. I'm gonna go check the time because I literally am live at 5 and I think it's like 4:45. I'm always pushing it, trying to do a little too much because I get too excited, but let's see. I'll be right back. Okay, I think I can do like 10 more minutes and then still have time to start my live. So let me see what I want to show you in that limited time. Vintage lingerie does pretty well. I'm not a big vintage seller, but this is Oscar de la Renta, which is a designer. Oscar de la Renta. And this is, what is it? I guess it's kind of like shapewear, I guess. It's almost like a corset up the back. It's a really beautiful piece. This is a gorgeous scarf made of worsted wool made in Italy. Let me show you the tag. I've said this before, but anytime I see something that says made in Italy, I look it up. This is a men's scarf and it's absolutely gorgeous Italian wool. I buy shoes if they're made in Italy, handbags. I recently sold a set of 4 Italian dish towels for $100 on eBay. I shared about that on Instagram. Find me on Instagram. I post more regularly over there. These are awesome because they're overalls. And you know, I'm filming this fall 2020 and overalls are still very, very trendy. These are not a good brand. They're Fashion Nova. I just mean that they're like a fast fashion brand. They're inexpensively made. They don't sell for a lot necessarily retail, but these are a plus size and they're overalls. I don't think I've picked up anything Fashion Nova before, but I don't know. What do you guys think? Would you have bought at the BINS for approximately $1, size 1X Fashion Nova overalls? I bet you I can sell those. These I picked up, and I don't know the brand, LVR, but they say organic. And I put things like organic, eco-friendly in my titles when I'm trying to sell them. These are a cool pair of pull-on legging pants. I thought I just saw a little bit of a stain in the camera, so I'll be double checking that. All right, let me see what other few things I want to show you. Ooh, this is a really good brand. This is cool. KUHL, that's the symbol you want to look for. I think this might be kids though, because it's so small. It could be a women's extra small fleece pullover, but I'm wondering if it might be kids, so I need to look into this more. Here's the side hip, but look for that symbol. If it's in a heart shape, the same logo, it means it's women's. This might be little boys. Either way, it'll sell. I took a risk on this vintage item. Like I said, I'm not a huge vintage seller, but this is Tommy Hilfiger, and it just looks like, you know, a 90s, 2000 pullover kind of like rugby shirt. It's just so good. I've sold some vintage Tommy Hilfiger before, so I thought, let me take a shot at the BINS. Now, would I have paid $5 or $6 for this at the thrift store, regular Goodwill prices? Not without looking it up and making sure, but at the BINS I can kind of take some risks like that. Okay, these I picked up because they're Juicy Couture, and Juicy Couture is like this brand that's kind of having like a comeback moment, especially the things that look like Y2K. So I thought I'd try these. They're like a pull-on pants with a stripe down the side, and they have the little juicy barb there. So, you know, if you find the velour hoodies or those track suits in Juicy Couture, those do really, really well. So that's just a sampling of some of the stuff that I got at the Goodwill Outlet BINS. I cannot wait to go back. The best part is hanging out with my reselling friends. Thank you so much, reselling friends, for meeting me there. And I appreciate you so much, and I cannot wait to come again. I've been going every 3 months, but Petey and I have already been talking, saying we need to go sooner because it's an awesome shopping experience with our friends there. So I look forward to seeing everyone soon. Thanks for watching. Be sure to give the video a thumbs up on the way out. Here's my little thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Oh, I want to mess up and do the camera thingy jingy. I want to go fast, but I don't want to act crazy, so I'm going to kind of like, okay. This is fun. No, this isn't the fun piece. So, and talk all about selling and thrifting and all that good stuff. I'm already out of breath. All right, what else do I want to show you? What are these? I think this might be a kids XL. Victoria's Secret. Anything else in here I want to show you with my limited time? You can do this, Quimby. You can do this.